Hi, welcome to From. Today I want to discuss 10 mental illness signs that you should not ignore. Before we start, if you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe button and bell button so you don't miss out our next interesting videos. Let's go dive in 10 mental illness signs that you should not ignore. Mental illness can manifest in many different ways and can be difficult to recognize, especially in early stage. However, there are certain signs and symptoms that should not be ignored, as they can indicate the presence of serious mental health conditions. Number 1. Persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, or helplessness. These feelings can be a sign of depression, which is a common and serious mental health condition. If you or someone you know is experiencing these feelings for an extended period of time, it is important to seek help from a mental health professional. Number 2. Loss of interest or pleasure in activities that were once enjoyed. This can be another symptom of depression, as well as other mental health conditions such as anxiety disorder. If you or someone you know has lost interest in activities that they once enjoyed, it is important to seek help. Number 3. Significant changes in appetite or weight. Changes in appetite or weight can be a sign of variety of mental health conditions, including depressions and eating disorders. If you or someone you know is experiencing the significant change in appetite or weight, it is important to seek help. Number 4. Difficulty sleeping or excessive sleeping. Difficulty sleeping or excessive sleeping can be a sign of insomnia, which is a common sleep disorder, as well as other mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety disorders. If you or someone you know is experiencing difficulty sleeping or excessive sleeping, it is important to seek help. Number 5. Difficulty concentrating or making decisions. Difficulty concentrating or making decisions can be a sign of variety of mental health conditions, including depression and anxiety disorders. If you or someone you know is experiencing difficulty concentrating or making decisions, it is important to seek help. Number 6. Feelings of worthlessness or guilt. Feeling of worthlessness or guilt can be a sign of depression, as well as other mental health conditions such as anxiety disorder. If you or someone you know is experiencing feeling of worthlessness or guilt, it is important to seek help. Number 7. Thoughts of self-harm or suicide. Thoughts of self-harm or suicide can be a sign of variety of mental health conditions, including depression and anxiety disorders. If you or someone you know is having thoughts of self-harm or suicide, it is important to seek help immediately. Number 8. Fatigue or low energy. Fatigue or low energy can be a sign of variety of mental health conditions, including depression and anxiety disorder. If you or someone you know is experiencing fatigue or low energy, it is important to seek help. Number 9. Unexplained physical symptoms, such as headaches or stomach aches. Unexplained physical symptoms can be a sign of variety of mental health conditions, including depression and anxiety disorder. If you or someone you know is experiencing unexplained physical symptoms, it is important to seek help. Number 10. Social withdrawal. Social withdrawal can be symptoms of various mental illness such as schizophrenia, depression, and social anxiety disorder. If you or someone you know is isolating themselves from friends, family, and other social activities, it is important to seek help. It is important To note that these signs may be caused by other factors, and it's always important to consult a doctor or mental health professional for a proper diagnosis. Early interventions can be critical in managing and treating mental health conditions. It's also worth mentioning that these signs can vary from person to person and can also change over time. That's why it's important to be aware of changes in yourself or the people you care about. Again, so this video is not to replace the importance of doctors and mental health professionals. If you worry about your mental health, don't hesitate to ask for help from a doctor or professional. If you find value and enjoy this video, please hit thumbs up and share it with your friends. It's gonna motivate me to make more videos. Don't forget to subscribe too. As always, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye for now.